Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. So let's begin the process. Open your Instagram app. After it opens, you will see your profile icon at the bottom. Just tap on this one. From here, you will see the three lines at the top right. Tap on this one. Tap on the first option, Settings in Privacy, and tap on the first Number Account Center. From here, tap on this option, Personal Details, and tap on the last option, Account Ownership and Control. Again, tap on this option, Deactivation or Deletion. Select your ID from here. I only have one ID on Instagram, so I'm tapping on this one. Select this option, Deactivate the account, and tap on the option, Continue. From here, write your Instagram password. After writing, tap on the option, Continue. Your Instagram account will be deactivated when you tap the option to continue. It was a way by which you could temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.